Hey everyone! Waiting for an important email, but nothing is showing up in your Gmail inbox. I know how frustrating that can be, especially when it's something urgent. But don't worry, this issue is very common and completely fixable. Let's go through the best solutions step by step. First, let's understand why this happens. Gmail may stop receiving emails if your storage is full. Emails are going to spam, filters are redirecting messages, a sender is blocked, forwarding is enabled, sync is turned off, or sometimes there's a temporary server issue. Now let's fix it. Fix number 1, check your spam folder. Gmail sometimes sends real emails to spam by mistake. Open your spam folder and look for the missing email. If you find it, open it and tap Not Spam, so future emails from that sender go straight to your inbox. Fix number 2, check all folders and tabs. Gmail automatically sorts emails into categories like primary, social, and promotions. Your email might be in the wrong tab. Also, open the All Mail section to see every email in your account. If you find it, move it to your inbox. Fix number 3, check your Google storage. If your storage is full, Gmail stops receiving new emails completely. Open Google Drive or your storage page and see how much space you have left. If it's full, delete large files, clear old emails, and empty your trash. Once you free up space, emails will start coming in again. Fix number 4, review your email filters. Go to Gmail settings, open filters, and check if any rule is automatically deleting or hiding your emails. If you find anything suspicious, edit or remove it. Fix number 5, check blocked senders. You might have accidentally blocked the person sending you emails. In settings, look at blocked addresses and remove anyone you want to receive emails from. Fix number 6, check email forwarding. If forwarding is turned on, your emails might be going to another account. Go to forwarding settings and disable it if you don't need it. Fix number 7, fix sync issues on your phone. Open the Gmail app, go to settings, select your account, and make sure sync is turned on. Then refresh your inbox. And that's it. Check spam, review folders, free up storage, fix filters, unblock senders, disable forwarding, and turn on sync. Follow these steps and your Gmail should start receiving emails again. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.